So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our WAEC biology exam revision series, we have here just this one question to answer on the topic concept of living. So guys, in this video we'll focus on excretory system and mechanisms. So we have here just this one question to answer. So in short, to stay till the end of this video. So the question here says, the following functions are associated with the liver except A. Production of fibrinogen, B. Production of vitamin D, C. Regulation of blood sugar, D. Production of heat. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's production of fibrinogen. So all the options here listed here are functions of the liver here except production of fibrinogen. So the liver produces vitamin D. The liver also regulates blood sugar level. It also produces heat. But guys, the liver does not produce fibrinogen. And that's the answer to this question, guys. So this is where we end this video for today. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll ensure to give you a response. So finally guys, we want to encourage you to join our YouTube channel community where we post major updates regarding WAEC examination, guys. This will help you as you prepare for your WAEC examination. So you can join this group by hitting the join button below, and we'll see you right there. Thank you once again for watching this video, and see you on the next.